Hi everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar and today we are pretty much ready to learn Git. Before heading, just we need to know what is Git. So Git is a pretty much a program or a system which helps you to track the changes in a file. In addition, we can say that it is one of the best programs to manage source code. Mostly in industries, the developers or employees who are indulged in developing a software, they use this software, but it's not limited only to the developers. This Git can be used by any layman who wants to track the changes in the files. It can be used to track the changes in a Word file, in an Excel, or any sort of file. So let's start with installing the Git in our system. In order to download, you can use this particular link or this particular link. You can find it here, git-scm.com/downloads. As per the operating system, you can choose the Windows setup or Mac or the Linux. So as I'm using the Windows system, I have downloaded the Windows version. In fact, once you open this site and once you click on Windows, the Git or the software starts installing automatically. So once it gets download, we need to install the Git as we do for the other softwares. Just keep on pressing or clicking the next along with the default settings provided by the Git setup wizard. Once you have installed Git in your system, you will find a Git folder in a program files. Once you open it, you can find lot of folders like bin, cmd, dev, etc and plenty other folders inside it. So let's open the console. So in this tutorial, we'll be using the command prompt for managing our source code. So in order to check whether it is being installed or which version is installed in our system, you can type the command git --version. So once you fire this command, you can come to know which version of Git we are using or which is being installed in the system. So the latest version is 2.12, but when I downloaded it, it was 2.9.2. So once it is done, then we can head forward for doing the configuration. So for configuration, you need to type the command git config global user.name. So in my case, the user name is related to the online repository or the username which I have given while creating the profile. So you need to first create a profile. So for creating the profile, just you need to write github.com. When you write like this or when you request, so you will find this sign up page or the landing page where you can easily find the input boxes for giving or entering the username, email address and creating a password. Once you provide all those things, you can easily move ahead for starting or creating a project. So as I have done, so I will sign up, sorry, I will sign in. Yeah, so this page you will find, and here you need to start a project. So here you need to give the name of the repository. So repository is like, you can say, where you gonna store all the source code. So let's give a repository name as demo, and I want this repository to be public, and it should be initialized with a readme file through which any users or public users can come to know about this repository. And yes, you can also add a git ignore file, and here you have to state down which technology you are using it. So right now I'm using Java, so I can click on here, and I can leave, or I can click on create repository. So for the present sake, let's keep it none, and we can add later on the readme and the .gitignore file. So let's click on git creating repository. Once you click on it, you will find the repository with a name demo, and over here you will find pretty much lot of commands which will be helping you to set or do the configuration for using the git from the command line. So here, before configuring anything, just you need to configure the global username, user.name. So for me it was techlook. Once you have done this, then again configure your user.email which you provided while creating this profile in your github.com. Once it is done, then we need to move to the folder or the file or to the location where you, or from where you want to push it. So let's open a notepad, and here let's have a simple Java program like class demo, and here let's put it like the main method, and let's print a statement that is hello world. So let's save it. So let's save in the documents with the name demo.java. So once we are done with this, or let's save to some other location like save as, or let's move to F drive, and let's create a folder GitHub tutorials, and inside it let's save this demo.java. So once it is saved, so let's move or change the directory. So for me it was F drive, and in F drive there was a folder with GitHub tutorials. Once you are in the particular directory where you have the file, from here you need to type a command git init. Once you have initialized this repository, you have to, you can see here, you can issue these statements over the command line. So let's type a command is git commit -m hello world program.